Good evening, all of you. Today we are going to see a problem, next problem, class 12. The question is comes under the topic of differential equations. Let me read out the question. The differential equation dy by dx is equal to function of xy will not be a homogeneous differential equation if f of x comma y is, we have four options for this question. Cos x minus sin y by x, option A. Option B is y by x. Option C is x square plus y square by xy. And option D is cos square x by y. So the necessary condition for a differential equation to be homogeneous is function of lambda x comma lambda y should be equal to function of xy. That is, x is multiplied with a multiplier lambda. Similarly, y is also multiplied with the multiplier lambda. So first what we will do is, first we will take option B. First we will try out for option B. Option B is given as f of x comma y is given as y by x. This is option B. Now what we have to do is f of lambda x comma lambda y. That is, x is replaced by lambda x and y is replaced by lambda y. So y is lambda y by lambda x. This lambda gets cancelled and we will be getting y by x, which is nothing but f of x comma y, which is also y by x. So in the question it is said that not to be a homogeneous differential equation, but this is a homogeneous differential equation. So option B is ruled out. Next we will go for option C. Option C, f of x comma y is given as x square plus y square by xy. Now we have to test for this case, that is f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to x is replaced by lambda x. Similarly, y is replaced by lambda y. So x square means lambda square x square. Y square means lambda square y square by x is lambda x, y is lambda y. Now if you see, lambda square is a common term. So x square plus y square by lambda into lambda, lambda square, x into y is xy. Now these two gets cancelled out. Now we will be getting x square plus x square plus y square by xy. Now if you carefully see, f of x comma y is equal to f of lambda x comma lambda y. Both the answers are same. Therefore, it is a homogeneous equation. But in our question, it is given as not to be a homogeneous differential equation. So option C is also ruled out. Next we will go for option D. What is option D? Function of x comma y is given as cos square x by y. Now we have to test for f of lambda x comma lambda y. So x will be replaced by, this x will be replaced by lambda x and y will be replaced by lambda y. Now we will see cos square x by y, here also cos square x by y. That means f of x comma y is equal to f of lambda x comma lambda y. That means it is a homogeneous differential equation. So option D is ruled out. Lastly, we come for the option A. Option A. What is option A? Option A, f of x comma y is given as cos x minus sin y by x. Now f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to x is replaced by lambda x and y is replaced by lambda y. So this will become cos lambda x minus sin y is lambda y by lambda x. Now lambda gets cancelled. But if you see the right hand result, here we have cos x, but here we have cos lambda x. Minus sin y by x minus sin y by x. These two are same, whereas this is not same. That is f of x comma y is not equal to function of lambda x comma lambda y. So this is the given function in x and y is not a homogeneous differential equation. So the correct option is option A. This is not a homogeneous differential equation, whereas option B, C, D are homogeneous differential equation. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.